Hi, kids! Today, Emma and Alex will learn something very important.
Today's lesson is your safety superpower. We're learning about good touch and bad touch. This will help keep you safe.
Superpower? Really?
Yes, your superpower is knowing your body.
Wow, a superpower!
That's right. And you can always say no.
My body belongs to me.
Nobody can touch your body without permission.
Sometimes your tummy gives a wobbly warning feeling.
Good touches feel safe, warm, and caring.
These are examples of good touches.
Private parts are covered by a swimsuit. Only parents helping you clean.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Yay!
Or a doctor with parent present can check. Hi there, let's take a quick listen. See, the doctor is very nice. Safe adults never ask you to keep touching secrets.
No, stop!
If something feels wrong, run, go, tell. These are my trusted adults. Telling is brave and right. Remember, it is never your fault.
Now you know the difference. You are safer and stronger every day.